I'm going to move to Stephen Rhine, and then we'll go on deck with Paula Sardinas, Khalid Pagan, and Darby Gottlieb.
Hello, I'm Stephen Rhine. I run a small electronics repair shop in Vancouver, Washington. I repair mostly industrial electronics and do IC chip programming. I have successfully invoked California and Minnesota right to repair laws successfully. I've gotten schematics. Right to repair is very essential to affordable repairs. If I have to spend 4 or 5 hours reverse engineering a circuit to be able to repair it versus spending 10 minutes with a schematic, it reduces the cost and makes repairs economically viable for stuff that would not be economically viable. An additional benefit to the right to repair laws is the consumer protection and consumer informed decisions. Back in the old days, if you wanted a television, VCR, radio, or whatever, you would talk to a repair shop and say, hey, what's a good brand? What's a good model? By having the schematics and everything, we can tell if the manufacturer's blowing hype, saying that we've got this technology. We can look at the schematics and say, no, it don't have that technology. If they're doing brand marketing, having it made by, a Chinese company, and then putting their name on it and selling it as a high-end product when it's a very cheap, poor quality made product, we can tell by having the schematics. We can tell the parts they're using by having the bill of materials. So right to repair is a good thing for Washington residents, and it gives consumers a good sense of being informed on what they're buying, making sure that the products are as advertised.
Thank you so much for your testimony.